I don't know if you have ever heard to actually vacuum your mattress. I've always wanted to do it, but I don't have the right size. I only have the floor ones and the wrong head. So in this case, this is a portable and handheld, and it is with USB charging. I haven't charged it yet, so I don't know. Just took it from the box. I don't know if it actually has battery right now. So I'm just trying to take this tape out, which I can try it out to see. It has already a pre-charge. So let me see. I take this out. This comes. You can take empty the filter like this. Put it back. You should really try it because I've heard that it's amazing to find out how nasty a mattress can be. And I would use this head. So I just plug it in like this. And then the charging is here. It comes with a pouch, easy storage. So this doesn't have a wall hanger. So the only option is just to make sure you put it in a pouch for storage. It also has a little hose here, and with different heads.